Guys, so it is now Tuesday, April 2nd, and tonight we are having enchiladas verdes. So yeah, so this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hey guys, it is Monday, April 8th, and tonight we are having BISTEC ranchero. This is what it is. The video really isn't capturing how beautiful it looks. But either way, this is what we're having for dinner. And then I have some rice back there. Yeah, but that's what we're having for dinner time with side of corn tortillas. Hey guys, it's now Monday, April 29th. And tonight we are having some chicken tacos. Here I have some chicken quarters that my husband grilled up on the pit. And then here we have some jalapeno cheese, cheese stuffed jalapenos. Okay. And then here we have cheese stuffed jalapenos. I have some tortillas back there. I made a little batch of some guacamole and I have some cheese. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it together so you can see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is our dinner and this is all put together. And